And we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
Hands in the sky. This is how we make all the leaders fly.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Breakthrough Boundaries Conference 2024 Leaders Assembly. We are very happy to see so many leaders from across the world joining us this morning. On behalf of the founders and the organizing committee, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to everyone. Leadership is about being selfless and showing empathy. A true leader is not defined by the numbers of recruits they have, but rather by the numbers of leaders they inspire and develop. This is part of the reason why this morning our theme is Building Leaders of Tomorrow. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our four founders who have built this beautiful platform for us to learn, share, and train to improve. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present to you our four founders of Breakthrough Boundaries Conference.
3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Breakthrough Boundaries Conference 2024 Leaders Assembly. I don't know what you're gonna do. You're gonna slowly put down the stream, but don't fall, don't trip. Make your way back to your seat.